Hey Dee, let me show you a quick way to do a gatefold card. First, you're going to insert your shape, which is a square. And let's say you wanted that to be a 5x7 card. We are going to, again, unlock and make this 10 because we know that if we double that, 5, that will give us room to fold the card. And then 7 inches tall. And we're going to lock that back. Let's change this to white so it's easier to see. I am going to insert another shape, a square. And we know that we want our card to be a 5x7. So let's unlock it and make this one 5x7 and lock it back. And we're going to come over here to the scissors in the layers panel, make it score. We're going to select all, align, center, and attach. Now we have a score line. It's perfectly centered, and you can fold this flap to the left and this one to the right and create your gatefold card. I hope that helped you out, and if you have any more questions, just let me know.